Hello. Welcome once again. Today I have message from you, no, call from you, Freedom 108, that we need a lesson on kose. And I'm actually today, I thought I've done it, but it wasn't that. The title was changed. So I'm doing it right now. That is, I'm actually his song, kose. Because in the intro, the first part is being cut away. I've researched search on the internet and other stores, but I don't have the original intro. So I'm doing it because I've learned it before. So I'm doing it. If you find the original copy or the one that has the first part or the first seconds in it, you will find the same thing. So let's go straight to the board and do the same thing. So it's key G. The key is G sharp, but we normally play it at the key G. But because the song here is key G sharp, we will do it key G sharp or A flat, so that when we are done, you can transpose it just a step back. So let's go straight to the board here. You have this as G sharp here. From the neck of the guitar, we have C, D, E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp here. So we have do, so, mi, do as G sharp chord. And we have C sharp as fa, C sharp major. Then we have so as E flat major. So we can move here, E flat major here, or we play E flat major here. That is so, do, fa, do, so, do. So this is how. We play do chord. Then we remain the do in this. Again, let's go. Do, so, do, la, so, fa, mi, re, mi, fa. Again, do, so this is what I'm using, because this one will be there for to, it will be there for the la, it will be there for the so. Again, let's take it again. Then fa, we divide the chord. We've done that. Again. Let's take it slowly. Do, so, to, la, so, fa, mi, re, mi, fa. Do, la, so, fa, mi, re, mi, fa. But we leave this one. Fa, the so will ring. Mi, and so, re, it will ring. Mi, fa, until we reach fa, so. Then we move. So that part, you see, we spell the fa chord. Again, fa, la, do, fa, so, la, so, fa, mi, re, mi, do. Again. Again. Then we all punch. Again, so let's go. don't play it well, you will see other instruments punching differently or punching different time, making your this chord or off the beat. So take note of this. You are leading the song. So if you are leading the song, you are calling them in. If you are not calling them, they may not come inside. So you just take your time. Don't be in a hurry. You see? Then they all punch. Everybody comes in the song and punch. So let's go through slowly. So if you don't play it well, fireworks. So spell out the chord. You see? So take your time. Here is the problem, where the problem lies. Fa chord. That is the C sharp. You see? Spell the chord fully. Fa, la, do, la, fa. Fa, la, do, fa. Again. You see, they all respond correctly. So it depends on how you call a song that will make it a mistake or other people's punch other way. So take your time. Again, fa, la, do, fa, sol, la, so, fa, mi, re, mi. Then we all punch. Again. You see, so you still keep the do here. Then we go to the, after we play this, there is a solo here. That is do, mi, so, mi, do, re, ti, la, so. Again. Mi, do, re, ti, do, la, ti, so, fa. Again, let's take that part again. Again. Then we move to so. So, because you have G sharp. And this is so. G sharp, this is do here. And so. So we move to so duet here. Again. Again. So, ti, re, ti, so. La, fa, mi, re. Sorry, so, re, so, mi, fa, re, mi, do, so, mi. So let's take it out. Again, slow. Do, mi, so, mi, because this is G sharp. You have G sharp here. Do, mi, so, mi, do, re, ti, do, la, ti, so, fa duet. Fa, and la. This is fa because G sharp, do, re, mi, fa. Then we move to so. So, ti, re, so, ti, so, la, fa, so mi, fa re, mi do so. Re, so, do. Shabada, re. So, do. Shabada, then we move to fa. Shabada, re. Cha, pa, pa, pa. Then we move to so, do. So, shabada, do. Fa, re, so, do. That is the general concept. So the intro, your main problem was the intro. That's the reason why I've taken time to show you the intro well. So take your time. Don't be in a hurry. That is G sharp chord. We strum the do chord. So if you spell it correctly, you will see all the other instruments punching the same time. But if you do not spell it correctly and you are in a hurry, you are in a rush, you want to, no, you will see them either striking the chord, the punch before you or after you. So you, even if you play it correctly, you can choose not to play the punch. So you can play it just like, you see them punching, bang, 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 for you. So take your time, do the spelling well. Don't be in a hurry. This one, they will can punch it to you, then. So that is all. Freedom 108. This is the request you made that you should do kose. So this is the everything in the song we need to know for the intro, that's starting the song. So thank you for joining me in this lesson. We shall meet very soon for other lessons. You are all welcome. Freedom 108. Bebuni Keku Bubini. All of you, Bright Water, Amisa, Man Ai, Samuel Janfi, YOG, Stephen Gomez, Samuel Manu, Robert, my friend, you are just across my area here, just met you. So you are all welcome. Sometimes when I come online, I don't want to go offline because you are one big family to me. I enjoy being with you. So thank you all for making me your #1 friend here. You are all welcome. We shall meet very soon for other lessons. So don't forget to like the video, share for others to join us to make the family big, because one lesson requested benefit the other person. So thank you. We shall meet soon.